on, guys? I'm going to test this roll of film on my Konica c35. I'm going to load it up with some Superior 800, even though it limits at I think 400 ASA on this, so it's just going to be overexposed. Just loaded her up. Time to go for a little walk and shoot all these 24 exposures. Oh, that's the end of the roll. A little something like that. First complete roll. Gonna take it over to Rainbow Photo Lab tomorrow, and let's hope that the photos came out okay. I'm sure they're gonna be a little overexposed, but as long as they're sharp, then I know for a fact the camera's working good.